These are briquettes in action. Energy fuels. You can imagine the way the flames are blossoming. It's really nice. It's very nice for your meat. You can cook it. Nice boil. I'm trying to go around it so that you can be able to have a good view of the whole thing. You can imagine, look at that. Very nice flames. It's a cooking episode. Briquette fuels. Really, this is fantastic. This kind of fuel is gotten from, waste biomass, which is carbonized and then compacted into briquettes. This kind of waste, you can use any waste. Virtually, you can carbonize any waste, be it fruit peels, be it, of course, agricultural residues, be it municipal, solid waste. Once you carbonize, you carbonize it and then compact it into briquette fuels. This is the kind of scenario you get. So it is very nice to recycle your waste, and this is one way of creating, carbon neutral fuels. And of course, we cannot have any waste biomass, littering around. It will really help. And this kind of energy is very strong, very, very, very hot, and it actually cooks your meals very quick. You can see this smokeless. If I can close so that we can reduce, the acceleration, the way it's accelerating. You can now still see the flames are still rising. And this is very nice energy. You can see smokeless, very hot, cooking your meal instead of cutting down trees to generate the charcoal. This is the root. Just get waste biomass and then try to carbonize it, and of course compact it into briquettes. And there you are. You get your energy, you save the environment, you save our climate, and of course you will clean up the environment in due course of collecting this biomass. Till next time, thank you.